Creating a good portfolio involves several key steps. Assess your investment goals, consider your time horizon, risk tolerance, and the amount of money you have to invest. Diversify your investments, spread your money across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash. This can help reduce the risk of losing money if one particular asset class performs poorly. Rebalance your portfolio. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments to keep your investments in line with your goals and risk tolerance. Keep an eye on fees. High fees can eat into your returns, so it's important to choose low-cost investments and minimize the number of transactions you make. Review and monitor your portfolio. Keep track of your investments, review their performance and consider making adjustments as needed. Consult a financial advisor. A financial advisor can provide guidance on building a portfolio tailored to your specific needs and goals. It's also important to remember that a good portfolio is not a one-time creation, it is an ongoing process that requires monitoring, adjusting, and rebalancing over time.